Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Istikharoh. In here, I will presentation English reflection from topic 1 to topic 4. Number 1. What important things do you bring up in the text? Answer. In this descriptive text, the important thing that I put forward is a description of myself and my family. From introduction, my name, my age, what I am doing, what activities I enjoy, what activities I do during my free time. In the family, how many members of my family, how many siblings, occupation of family members, and place of residence. Text procedure, the important thing that I state is what my hobby is, what tools are needed to do my hobby, and what are the steps to do it. Recontext, the important thing I say are based on my story or stories in the past. For example, my experience on the first day of school. Persuasive text, so that reader can be aware of environmental issues that are around them, aware of the importance of caring for and protecting the environment. It is also expected the reader can be implement activities that have a positive impact of the environment, such as dispensing. Number 2. Why is the important to discuss in the text? Answer. Descriptive text so that reader or other people can get to know myself and my family. Knowing who I am, what I like, what I do, because the purpose of descriptive text is to describe object, place, people, or situation in detail. Text procedure so that readers can find out what tools are needed to do my hobby, the steps or steps to do it, because procedure text is a type of text that contains steps that must be taken for the desired goal. Recontext so that reader can know my story, what my activities were on my first day of elementary school, who I met at that time, how I felt, because the function of this text is to retell events or experience that occurred in the past. Persuasive text so that the readers can open their mind or see how the environment is today, so that there is self-awareness of the importance of protecting the environment. Because this text aims to invite, order, or persuade readers do something in accordance with what the author says. Number 3. What impact do you want to have from this reading? Answer. Descriptive text to make the readers aware of what can be taught or described about themselves and their families, so they can more freely tell or introduce themselves to other people or people they just met, and readers can know the structure of the descriptive text. Procedure text, so that the readers can do an activity or make something well and correctly according to existing procedures, whether it is from my text or from the text they get. I also hope that the reader know what are the parts of the procedure text. Recontext, so that readers can be entertained and nostalgic for their experience as well, so that our readers can also know how to make a recontext what is told in the text. The text can also provide advice or relation from true story to readers, so readers can take this relation and apply them if they face the same problems as in the story. Persuasive text, so that the readers can be aware of environmental issues that are around them, aware of the importance of caring for and protecting the environment. It is also expected that readers can implement activities that have a positive impact on the environment, such as disposing of waste in the place, being able to process their own waste, using electrical energy wisely, reducing the use of plastic, planting green plants in the yard of the house so that the environment can be maintained its beauty. Number 4. What will you do to improve the quality of your reading? Answer. Description text use words that are easier to understand or often used in everyday conversation. Describe something in more detail on point. Pay attention again to the structure of the text. Procedure text use words and sentences that are easy to understand. Avoid convoluted sentences. Include images as support for this text. Recount text. Tell the experience in more detail. Provide message and suggestion taken from the story. Use words that make the reader understand and feel the story. Persuasive text. Tell up-to-date and reliable fact into text. Make an invitation sentence that touches the reader heart more so that the reader becomes aware or agrees with my opinion. Thank you for listening. I hope everything I have shared is useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.